How to use TikTok's voiceover feature for creative videos. Want to add a personal touch to your TikTok videos? The voiceover feature is a fantastic tool that lets you narrate, add commentary, or even create character voices for your content. Let's dive in. Launch your TikTok. You will land to the For You page. Now click on the plus icon given at the bottom middle. Then you can record the video or select the video in which you want to add the voiceover feature. Once you have selected the video, at the right corner you're going to find a different option. Click on the option of voice. Now from here you can easily add the voiceover. To record, simply click on this option of record. Now click on this red icon. With that, recording will start. And after you are done, click on the option of done. Now over here you're going to find different voice effect options. You can select any of these if you want to. Then you can click on save. Once your voiceover is perfect, add any final touches like effects, text or stickers to make your video stand out. When you are done, tap next and add your caption, hashtags, then hit post. And that's it. Now you know how to use TikTok's voiceover feature to add a personal creative touch to your videos. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe.